Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. Suppose if you have turned on Bitlocker on your computer in any of your drive and now you don't know the password of it, so how you can recover its password? If you have same issue, so don't worry, just watch the video completely and I'll show you how you can recover the password. Okay, so here we go.
Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
Open Start menu and click on your account. Go to Account Settings. And from here, click this one. And here you can see it's my Microsoft account. Now select your computer. Now just verify. Once the verification is done, here you can see Bitlocker data protection. Now just click on this link. Now you have to verify again with your email or any type of recovery option that you have provided to your Microsoft account. Okay, so here we are. Here you can see the recovery key. You just have to copy this key. Now just select the drive. Double click on it. Here click on more options. Enter recovery key. And just click in the box and press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the key here. Now just click on unlock. And here you can see drive is unlocked. So now if you want to turn off the Bitlocker, so follow the video. Just get there and here you can see turn off Bitlocker. You can just turn it off with one click. And here you can see it's decrypting all the data. And that's it. The Bitlocker is successfully bypassed. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.